So, here I have a potato, and guess what I'm gonna do with it? I'm gonna give it to the cats. Just wait a little bit. Bella, come here. Hey. They're eating the potatoes, guys. They're eating the potatoes. They're like eating the potatoes. What? Adventure, here's some for you. I can't really hold the camera like this, but they're actually eating the potatoes. It's pretty weird, because cats don't normally eat vegetables. You want more? They actually like them. There you go. Poor Adventure, he isn't getting any. But he's eating too, he's eating too. He's a little bit more capricious, but he's eating too. He's eating too. This is so weird. But you didn't want to eat it after all, did you? Oh gosh. It's here. I have some potatoes left, I guess. And Adventure is gonna eat it. Or not. Come on, eat the rest, please. There you go.